Hey, LifeWithABox here. Want to brighten up your Tesla's interior? Check out these white TPE floor mats from Hannshow. They're durable and stylish, but can they handle dirt? Stick around as I unbox, install, and review them. Use my code LifeWithABox for 25% off. Link in the description. If you're new here, I review Tesla and car-related products with a real-life perspective. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. Now let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so everything comes packed up tight in a flat box. When you open it, you'll notice the mats are all crunched up and flattened from being shipped like that. No big deal though. What I did was flip them upside down, laid them out, and put some weights along the creases. Left them like that for a couple of nights, and they straightened out perfectly. Problem solved. Alright, so first I took a look at the black mats in my Tesla Model Y. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with them. They do their job. But I've noticed that if I drop something small, especially at night, it's almost impossible to find. The upside to black mats is they hide dirt really well, which is probably why most mats are black. That said, if you're on a mission to add as much white as possible to your Tesla, these might be the upgrade you've been looking for. So, let's pull out the black mats. And while I'm at it, I'll show you my favorite vacuum that I keep in the trunk. It's super handy for quick cleanups anytime. This is the vacuum I'm using, the Fantic V8 Apex. It's a 4-in-1 cordless handheld vacuum designed for your car, home, and even outdoor use. It doesn't just vacuum, it also blows, inflates, and deflates. It comes with 10 versatile attachments, making it perfect for tackling corners, pet hair, and even inflating mattresses. With 19 kilopascal suction power, 2 modes, and a lightweight design at just 1.1 pounds, it's super portable and easy to use. I've had this for a few months now, and it's been rock solid. The charge holds up even after sitting in my trunk for weeks. It comes with a bunch of mounts, but my favorite is the flexible hose attachment. It makes vacuuming around the Tesla so much easier. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to grab one for yourself. Alright, let's get back to the white mats. Like I mentioned earlier, when they arrived, they were folded and bent from shipping. To fix that, I laid them upside down and placed some weights along the creases for a couple of nights. That really helped flatten them out, and now they're ready to install. Let's start with the driver and passenger front mats. Here are the 2 pieces for the front seats. We'll begin with the driver's side. These mats are 3D molded, which means they're designed to fit perfectly into the floor area. All I have to do is position it, wiggle it a bit to get it into place, and then press down along the edges to secure it. As you can see, it's a perfect fit, snug and seamless. Now moving on to the passenger side. Again, the fit is spot on, and if you look closely, you'll notice how the edges align perfectly with the contours of the floor. The white really pops here and gives a clean, bright look to the interior. Finally, let's install the rear passenger mat. This one comes as a single piece that spans across the back. To install it, I slide it down the middle, fold it into place, and then pat the edges to make sure it's sitting properly. Everything lines up perfectly, and it really brings a cohesive look to the back of the car. If you're wondering about compatibility, I'm happy to report that the mats work perfectly even if you've got accessories like a center console trash bin. The white mats from Hannshow fit right around it with no issues. Overall, the installation process is simple and the results are impressive. They brighten up the interior and fit like a glove. So here it is, the final result. What do you guys think? Love it or hate it? If you've been on a mission to turn your Tesla interior all white, this might just be the perfect product for you. Personally, I've found that converting my Tesla's interior to white really makes the driving experience feel more comfortable and relaxing. Plus, the fact that these white mats fit perfectly with no issues makes a big difference. At night, with the ambient interior lights reflecting off them, it really adds a nice touch to the atmosphere inside the Tesla. These white floor mats are compatible with the Model Y, Model 3 Highland, and Model 3. They offer enhanced protection with raised edges to trap dirt and spills, an all-weather design for various conditions, and anti-slip technology for safety. The elegant white color adds style to the interior, and they're super easy to install with a perfect fit for your vehicle. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. It looks brand new now, but how does it hold up after a few weeks? Well, don't worry. I've been using them for a few weeks now, and since it's winter, there's been some snow. So here's how they're looking. You can definitely see a bit of dirt, but honestly, it's not as bad as you might expect. Now, I'll be honest, these might not be the best option if you live in snowy conditions, but if you're in a warmer area, these white mats should stay looking fresh for much longer. The best part? They're made of TPE, so they're super easy to clean. Just pull them out, hose them down, and they'll be as good as new. If you guys want, I can do an update on these mats come springtime. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching all the way through, and I hope you found this helpful. Again, if you're looking to brighten up your Tesla's interior, I highly recommend these white mats from Hannshow. If you want to purchase, just click the link in the description below and use my code LifeWithABox to get 25% off. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.